This is Wyatt with your neighbor's roofer. I'm at Crossville, Tennessee. I'm ready to show her some color samples. It started out with me giving her a free roof inspection a few weeks ago. It turned out she had some hail damage and some wind damage from the storms that rolled through here recently. I showed her the inspection video of the damage. We both agreed that it was well over enough to file a claim, so we did so with Progressive Insurance. Anyways, they sent an adjuster out here to take a look at it, and they agreed on the damage that I did show him. They ended up paying for it, and yeah, we're getting ready to put the finishing product on there and get ready to go.